All right, good afternoon, Vice Forecaster Diddy Rap with you, and the breaking weather storm warning has been issued. Promised me this is going to be a little bit long, even. The reason why I broke in, normally I don't break in for one severe thunderstorm warning in place, but we do have the severe thunderstorm warning. And first of all, I'm going to start off with we got some damage reports coming in. Measure wind gusts over 75 miles an hour from measure 150 to 153. That's when we had that one storm. And also, we had 70 miles of wind gusts have been measured. So this is a severe thunderstorm warning. This storm has some weak rotation. This is a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Kent County and north central Texas, north central Dixon County, and north central Texas, Grizzly County, and north central Texas, south central Cosby County, and north central Texas to 245. At 204, a severe thunderstorm located near Point Mooney's moving northeast at 60 miles an hour. A hazard, 70 miles of wind gusts and quarter size hail. At 152, wind gusts up to 76 miles was measured in Durham area. So if you're in the path of this, you definitely need to be shaking shelter. Take this as a tornado, folks. This is a storm that could produce some weak rotation, mostly a gust front, a damaged wind front, but it does have some weak rotation. So you definitely got to take these storms really seriously today. So we'll put this thing in animation, and you can just see this storm is still capable of producing some weak sheared right there. So we got some measurements over 75 miles an hour. So this is the time you probably want to be in your storm shelter if you have one. Basement. I mean, we're not talking about a tornado warning right now, but this storm has indication of some rotation with it. So, folks, you got to take these storms seriously. This is why we're coming on to let you know today. We'll continue to keep you updated on the storm. When we come back on, I'm probably get some people from storm community. I am probably want to see if we got any watches in place before we go that yet. I'm checking the chat myself. Since I'm by myself today, I gotta have to check the chat room and see if we have anybody. Since we're not in severe thunder tornado watch or anything yet, I am gonna bump this up just for a second. At least. Hold on a second. We'll get ready to send you back. This in a second. So hold on. All right, if you just joined us at almost about 2 p.m., we have a severe thunderstorm warning for over 75 miles, over 70 miles of wind. Definitely, you want to be taking shelter in a basement if you have one, ground floor. Just get away from windows. This is the day you probably want to get away from windows. You don't have to go hunker down in no bathtub. We just want to get you away from windows in case the storm will produce some very strong winds. Hail out of the storm. Look at this. Gosh. Are you kidding me? We're starting to see almost some very large hail with this. So technically, there's going to be some very large hail. Sunny storm 1.5 up here by Cosby area. That's almost 2.5. So these storms are producing some very strong, do some damage and straight line winds. And this little Boeing, that's going to come a problem where we can get some tornadic weather. So definitely, the storm over here is a little streak cell. And once we get these streak, that's where we want to indicate some rotation. So what we're going to do, I know we have reports coming in. We only got the one severe thunderstorm in place. We want to continue to keep you updated. if we do see a new warning that gets in place, we will break right back in to let you know. Right now, I'm going to take a break, and we will continue to keep you updated.